Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, gamer64 Pro, and oh no, I saved it, okay, and today, we are going to be finishing this room. So I know in the last episode I told, or not this room, the tunnel, so I know in the last episode I told you guys that I would do some of it off camera, but I decided, you know what? No. You guys are going to see it too. Every single one. Every single time I work on it, I will be recording on it. So yeah, I've run out of tar. Have I? Yeah, I've run out of tar. So let's go get some tar. Oh, and I will be fixing this later, but I don't know when, just later. Let's go get some tar. No! The tar will live on. The tar will live on. Whoa. So, just like last time, we're gonna get 25 pieces of tar. I don't need any mineral water. How's the mineral water even coming? Wait, where's it coming from? Let's just camp right here. 18, 20, and 25. Nice. So let's go back to the secret base. Well, diamond room. And continue the tunnel to Comfy's diamond room. Yeah, this is a problem. We'll need to waste one. Are you kidding me? Where does this go? What? Actually? There we go. Are you actually kidding me? Oh my god. Okay. Where are the slabs, first of all? Okay, here are the slabs. Now let's just put down the tar. No. Is the tar? Okay, good. That. Another freeze bomb, and then a fire bomb. There we go. So the rest we'll need to do when Comfy's on, because I'm not admin in his zone. But for now, let's just put down these chests. This one has 40, this one has 36. Okay. Let's just put these away. No, not that. Yeah. That's basically everything. Now guys, Comfy had an idea which I didn't really like, but now I've actually changed my mind. Remember what in the video of the episode of Diamond Room that I actually made my own diamond room? Remember that I wanted to build it on the outside, but then changed my mind and did it underground? Yes. We are destroying this room, and I'm making it into a diamond room. It's gonna be very, 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 very hard, but I don't care. We're gonna do it. Okay. We are doing this. Wait. Okay, my death touches everything. And besides, this is just making dangerous mobs, like corrupted mobs, so I don't have any use for it anymore. I made it originally to help to store all my nature stuff, so if I need to make anything with it, I could just come up here and get it. But now there's no use for it because I accidentally made it into corrupted leaves, and now it's corrupted. So there's literally no use for it. So we're gonna take and my diamond and my illuminate. Oh my god. My illuminate mining cell just broke. And I need 4 illuminates to make another one. Oh my god. Wait, then how am I supposed to get down there? Do I have any spare diamonds? Please. Oh, there's some tourmaline here, which I need. Please. Oh, there's hardened lava right here, but only 1. Okay, that's more than enough. Okay, any diamonds, please. No. Are you kidding me? Diamonds, where are you? Oh, yeah! Yeah! Now all I need is iron slabs, which I saw some iron around here. Are you kidding? Okay, iron. Then put that for, I need some coal now. Coal, please. Wait, no I don't. Wait, yes I do. No I don't. There's some, where I had my, my diamonds, I saw some iron bars or iron rods. Or not rods, just iron bars. Yeah, right here. Okay, so let's go up here. I'm gonna make, how much do we need? We need 2. Okay, thank God. Oh my God, that was, I actually thought we were gonna be stuck there. The New Year's countdown again. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! Happy New Year! Very, very sad New Year's. Thank you. Oh my God. Craft one. I already did. There. Is that better? Oh my God. Where is it? Oh, it's on me. Yes. Finally. Oh my God. Let's just continue destroying this plant's room. I remember calling it nature room, I think. Yeah, I think it was nature room. Destroy the flower. I hate it when my inventory is full. And it almost is right now. Let's just take all this down. Whoa. I've seen some of my pets going up here. Like when I go up there when I catch some pets and I want them to go into my pet room, they just jump up there and come around like this. But they won't be able to do that no more. And in this diamond room, I could have like... No. I was gonna do a tunnel leading to... Yes. Oh, guys. Okay. So my idea is to make some diamond stairs going downwards and then make the house on the ground, not floating like it is right now. Alright? And then we can just have a tunnel right underneath it going into my diamond room. Yeah. Okay, this is gonna be awesome. Let's grab these vines. Oh, it feels so much better to have a diamond mining cell. Put all of this away. Later we'll come back to get all the valuable stuff. Yay. I think I made this like, I don't know, 1 month ago, 2 months ago. I don't know. I have no clue. But it's not that old actually. I don't remember the days that it wasn't corrupted. Like, it wasn't corrupted leaves. Because lately, it's been corrupted leaves. Okay, so it's Pigsy. No, okay. Let's get this flower. Maybe we need to. Yeah, I'll just go upstairs first. Not pull with stone. Okay, let's go upstairs. Destroy all of this. It's up here, so we won't have to jump anymore. Okay, so come on. I built it like, I had high hopes for this, but then for some reason I don't even remember when it was. But for some reason, I just came along and threw a, what's it called? Corruption bomb at it. For no reason. And it's like, oh, it's corrupted. Is this water? No, it's corrupted. See? Even the land around it turns corrupted. Get this stone back. Vines too. Okay, we're getting a lot of corrupted leaves. What is this? Oh. And wow, there's still a lot more. Let's just take down the walls and the ceiling first. Or not the ceiling, the roof, I guess. Oh. Can I just, like, burn it? I wanna just burn it all. It's gonna take a very long time. Wow. Okay, I think that was a waste. I have no idea if it worked or not. Let's keep going and doing this. Yeah. Okay. So. Oh my god, it's gonna take forever. Actually, there's not too much left. This video might not even be about building the diamond room. It might be about just taking down my nature room. Ugh. Come on, almost done, almost done. I believe I can finish this. Really? I really do believe I can finish this. Best singing by gamer64 Pro. This is literally taking forever. I'm not even kidding you. My finger is dying. Come on! Are you kidding me? Are you actually kidding me? Ooh, mushroom. One day, I was actually searching for mushrooms, and I literally went around the entire map searching for red mushrooms, and then when I came back, there was one right there, around those pumpkins. And by the way, why are there still ghosts? Well, okay. Why are there still ghosts when it's past Halloween? Like, what, is it now just a regular mob now? Or is it supposed to be like that? I'm very confused. Why is this so tall? Come on. My finger is literally dying. Oh god. Where is it? Die. This is what I mean. They're just making. It's just making corrupted Myrus or corrupted mobs. Yeah, I can't get in here now, can you? Beat that. Where is it? I'm scared. Is it gonna kill me? But I don't wanna die. Well, it's right outside my... Oh. Okay. It's right outside my house, so it's not that important. I can just get my stuff back. Oh, jeez. Really? Okay. No, you can die. You can die now. I'm gonna sleep because this is getting very annoying. I'm gonna make it daytime. Sleeping. Am I... Okay, it's daytime now, finally. It is 5:16 in the morning in the game. Well, it's sunrise. Okay, this is almost done. Like, just a couple more blocks. Well, not a couple more, but you know what I mean. Come on. Please. This is literally taking so long. This might have taken the whole episode. Look at the chat. Are you actually kidding me? I need to make another mining cell. Okay, where is the stuff I put inside this chest? Then I just need iron slabs. Yeah, off camera, I'm just gonna go and make a luminite mining cell because I cannot take this. I cannot just keep living like this. You know what, guys? This video is not gonna be the building of Diamond Room episode thing. I'm gonna do that next episode, which might be today or next week. So, yeah, after this finishes processing, okay, yeah, I'm gonna end the episode there, guys. Hope you have enjoyed. I certainly have not, because mining cell destroyed, rage, and I am very angry. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna have to end the episode there, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye!